So since I'm a ballin' mother freaking beast, I'm gonna take that "Look at Me Now" song and I'm gonna rap the Busta Rhymes part with the music, looking at the lyrics as best as I can. If I mess up, I'm just gonna be like, bleh. But it's that part where Busta Rhymes is like, blah, 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 and he's just going crazy, so it's pretty crazy. So I'm gonna do it. I don't know where it starts, but
Hell breezy. Let me show you how to keep the
let me try this.
doing that thing over there, huh?
Gotta get my gangster pose.
Let's go!
I'm gonna feel like I gotta get away, but I know that I don't ever want to stop because they're gonna know whenever they see this. Just know that you never caught me, and I know that I can be a little cocky. You ain't never gonna stop me. Every time I come in, I gotta say that I gotta go, and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow, and then I gotta show you any little bit, and then because none of that, because I'm gonna burn everything, and but if you I gotta do a lot of things to make it clear to a couple of things. I'm banging on my chest, and I'm banging the east, and I'm banging the west, and I come and give you more, and I will never give you less. And you here in the street, and you can breathe, and you we struggling and hustling and Sunday and get it in. Always gonna take you to another place. Gotta taste it, and gotta grab it. Gotta call it through this traffic just to be at the top of the road. I gotta have it. Have it.
Look at me now. Look at me now. Oh, I'm getting paper.
Look at me now.
Oh,
Look at me now.
yeah.
Yeah.
Fresh up. Man, fuck these bitch ass niggas. How y'all doing? I'm Latunche. I'm a nuisance. I go stupid. I go down like the three.
I'm done. Oh my goodness. I'm like twitching. You see this? Do you see this? This is madness.